Hey guys, here's how to add or remove a bank card on Alipay. So guys, to add or remove a card, go ahead and open your Alipay application on your device. So open up your Alipay, and after that, go ahead and tap on Accounts down here at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you'll be able to tap on Bank Cards. So guys, from here, as you can see, you'll be able to add cards directly over here when you tap on Add Card. From here, guys, you'll be able to provide your card number, and after that, you'll be able to provide the necessary information to proceed. And now, to remove a card, when you have a card, it will show up over here. Guys, just tap on Edit at the bottom down below. Since I don't have a card yet, I won't be able to show you, but if you do, just tap on Edit. And then from there, you will have an option to remove the bank card. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.